Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Now today I have something special to show you guys. This is Xiaomi's Amazfit Stratos, or also known as the Amazfit Phase 2 smartwatch. It's a premium quality top-end multi-sport GPS smartwatch from Xiaomi. I have been waiting so long to get my hands on this and today I finally got it. It's a smartwatch with amazing features and I'm very excited to show it to you all. The Amazfit Stratos comes in this sort of box packing. You can see a picture of the watch and has some features written at the bottom. It supports multi-sport tracking, heart rate sensor, also has built-in GPS, can show call and message notifications, measure VO2 max, it's 5 atmospheres water resistant, stores onboard music and provides a minimum of 5 days of battery life on a single charge. Wow, the features look promising. Let's turn over the box and see what else is written on it. The Stratos can even connect wirelessly to Bluetooth earphones to enjoy music. It's got an always-on display and has a durable and scratch-resistant ceramic casing. The features look very interesting. Let's get started with the unboxing and check out the smartwatch. Let me grab my knife and cut this outer cover. I want to thank Fastech for sending me this product for review. Let's open the packaging and check it out. The box packing of this watch is nice. The top cover slides out like this and inside we've got another white box that says Amazfit on the top. There's nothing else written on it. Let's open the box and here it is, our Xiaomi's Amazfit Stratos. Holy smokes, this thing looks absolutely beautiful. Let me take it out. Wow, looks like a very premium quality smartwatch. Just look at that finishing. Alright guys, we'll just keep it aside for now and see what else do we get in the box. You get a user manual, just make sure to read it for all the info on the product, and a charging dock for the smartwatch. So these are all the items we got in the box. Now let's check out the Amazfit Stratos. The Amazfit Stratos is a premium multi-sport GPS smartwatch. It has a sticker on the top. Let me remove it. There you go. Looks beautiful, right? It's got a polished ceramic bezel that is very shiny and has a rugged carbon fiber-like design on the casing. That is super nice. On the right side you got 3 stainless steel buttons. The first one is a power/up button, this is down button, and this is the watch crown which also doubles as the activity button. This watch comes with 22mm silicone straps with a two-tone design. And the best part is you can also replace them with other straps like leather or metal ones. The quality is very nice, they feel soft and durable. And this is how the back of the watch looks like. There's a heart rate sensor at the center, charging contacts above that, and some info regarding the watch. It says 5 atmospheres water resistant. So that was our overview on the design and build quality. Now let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. By the time it boots up, let's go through the specs. The Amazfit Stratos has a 1.34-inch trans-reflective LCD always-on display. It's powered by a dual-core CPU clocked at 1.2 GHz, has 512MB RAM and 4GB of internal storage, supports Bluetooth 4.0, Wi-Fi, has an heart rate sensor, built-in GPS plus GLONASS, it's 50 meters water resistant and has a 290 mAh battery. So these were its specs. The watch has finally booted up and I've also gone through the setup process. So this is how the display looks like. It's got a 1.34-inch trans-reflective display. The display has its own good and bad points. The good part is it's an always-on display and looks very nice in bright lighting conditions even under direct sunlight. As you can see in outdoors, the visibility is far better than AMOLED displays. It's got a 320x300 resolution and the sharpness is also fine. But the problem is the display can be very reflective sometimes, and also in dim lighting conditions or night time, the display doesn't look that good. It does have an auxiliary backlight, but still it's not like a LCD or LED display. The viewing angles were also not that great. Now let me show you the watch interface. When you press the power button, the watch is unlocked and the backlight turns on. This is how the watch face looks on this watch. You've got lots of watch faces to choose from. I'll show them to you later. By swiping down, you can access the status panel. This panel shows you the connection status, battery level, date and time, weather, and access to some quick shortcuts which include DND, airplane mode, brightness, and settings. As you can see, it's got a flat tire design. This cutout at the bottom houses some sensors. Most probably there's an ambient light sensor over there for auto brightness. Yes, this watch also has auto brightness. Let me see if I can show you the sensor. Now swiping up from the home screen brings up notifications panel where you can access all your notifications that you receive on your phone. This is how the notifications look like. You can read the entire message but there is no option to reply it from the watch. By swiping left or right on the home screen, you can access all the different apps and features just like this. But before we check them out, let me show you the settings on this watch. You can access it from here and this is how the settings app looks like. In the connections, we've got Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You can even pair Bluetooth earphones to this watch and listen to music on the go even without a phone. Now you can navigate through the watch using touchscreen, or you can even use this up and down physical buttons to do the same. The quality of the buttons is very nice. In the comment section, you've got time format, language, silent, airplane mode, lap key settings, watch faces. You can change the watch faces from here: backlight brightness, raise to wake, auto brightness, upload and tap to wake. So these are all the common settings. Now let's check out the different watch faces. You've got lots and lots of watch faces to choose from. You just need to tap on them to apply. And you're not just limited to these watch faces, you can even download and install custom watch faces on your watch. So these are all the main settings of this watch. Now let's check out the different apps and features. You can access them by pressing these up and down navigation buttons just like this, or you can simply use touch gestures to do the same. Swiping left brings the weather forecast panel where it shows you a week's forecast, and if you want more detailed info, just click on any particular day to get a better view. So that was about the weather. Swiping left again, we have heart rate monitor. You've got a graph over here that shows you how your heart rate is changing over time, and if you want to check your heart rate, just hit this button to start measuring. This is a music player. You can store songs on the watch itself and listen to music by connecting some Bluetooth earphones. There's no inbuilt speaker or microphone, so that's the only option you have. So that was about the music player. You can set alarms to any particular time and the watch will vibrate and alert you. There's also a compass on it, and this is how it looks like. It's pretty accurate and can be very handy on a watch. You also have a stopwatch. Let me show you how it works. So moving on, we've got sleep analysis, which helps you track the quality and duration of your sleep. This is the training center, which helps improve your running performance. You can choose from beginner, 5 kilometers, 10 kilometers, half marathon and even a marathon. It completely monitors your activity and helps improve your states. And on the extreme end, you've got a timer function. Going left from the home screen, you can access the sports page where you can track and monitor a variety of sports like walking, running, cycling, swimming, treadmill, indoor cycling, climbing, skiing, tennis, soccer and multi-sport activities. Now that's a huge list. Let me show you how it works. So as soon as you click on any activity, the watch starts searching for GPS signal, as it even keeps a track on your route. By hitting the go button, it starts monitoring your activity, where it will keep a track on your time, number of steps taken, mileage, heart rate, calories burned and cadence. To stop, you need to press the power button. Swiping right again brings up the activity page where you can check your recent sports activities. It gives you a complete analysis on that. And finally, you have the daily overview where it shows you how much activity you've done for the day and even check your weekly summary. So that was it guys, that was our complete look at all the apps and features of this watch. It's a premium dedicated watch made for sports and fitness. Now if you want a more detailed fitness info, then you can check it out on your Amazfit app. Now let's test the heart rate monitor on the Amazfit Stratos. You can access the heart rate monitor from here. All you need to do is hit this check now button to start measuring your heart rate. The heart rate monitor was working well. It was precise and giving accurate results almost 90% of the time. The Amazfit Stratos also supports call and message notifications. Let me show you how the call notifications appear on this watch. So whenever you get a call on your phone, you get notified like this and the watch starts vibrating. You can either mute the notification or reject the call from the watch, just like this. And this is how you get message notifications on the watch. It shows you the name of the sender and the content of the message. You can't reply to any of these messages, you can only check and dismiss them. It supports a lot of social media apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram and more. The Amazfit Stratos is 5 atmosphere certified water resistant. That means you can go up to 50 meters underwater. To test that, I'll be doing a water test. I'll be putting the watch in this bowl full of water and see if it survives. So let's do it. This bowl of water is nothing for this watch guys. You can take a shower and even go diving with this watch up to 50 meters underwater, which is around 164 feet, and nothing will happen to the watch. The touchscreen doesn't work underwater, so instead you'll have to use those buttons to navigate through the menu. Alright, so let's take the watch out and see if it works. The display is still on, everything is running, the buttons also work fine, and the touchscreen also works perfectly even with wet fingers. This watch is awesome guys. The Amazfit Stratos has passed my water test. Now talking about the battery, this smartwatch has a 290 mAh battery and the battery life is pretty amazing. On an average, with both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi turned on and continuously using the watch, I was getting around 5 to 6 days of battery life. And if you switch off all those functions and use it only as a simple watch, you'll easily get about 11 to 12 days of battery backup. And charging it from 0 to 100 took about 2.5 hours. So that was my review on the Xiaomi's Amazfit Stratos Multi-Sport GPS smartwatch. It's a great smartwatch for fitness and sports. The GPS on it is very accurate, keeps a track on lot of info, looks very premium, stylish and has an amazing battery life. The only thing I felt was, instead of a trans-reflective display, if the company had gone with an IPS or an AMOLED display, it would have been awesome. And also there's no speaker or microphone on it. This watch costs around 12 to 13,000 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.